Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial by KG CRM Solutions. In this video, we will see how we can convert leads to contacts and deals. So for that, just open any leads you want to convert. Let's suppose I'm going to convert the first one. From here, we can see the data listed out. All you need to do is to click on the convert. When you will click on the convert, it will automatically create a new contact and will ask for you to optionally add a deal as well. So we want to create contact and a deal as well, so contact will be created automatically, and for the deal just tick this option. We will see the relevant fields for this, add the amount for the deals, and assign any name to the deal. Moreover, we'll have to add closing date for the deal. Let's suppose this is the next state. Okay, add the data in the other fields, and just after putting required data you can click on the convert. It will automatically convert our leads to the contact and deal. So for now we can go to the leads and we can see that the lead is not here, it is converted. Just go to the contacts, lead is added here as a contact, and moreover a deal is also created. So this was all about how we can convert our leads to contacts and deals. Thank you for watching.